Through the woods by Aptels. Rapidly. Takes that curve. Neighbors, look at this. Pearl Bay Community Council. There is a river right here. And then big lightning. I'm going in.